No, he believes in his creator, yeah, but he's not yet reached that level.
So then if you ask me the question, a person who truly believes in God and little bit confused from his heart and yet doesn't believe in Prophet Muhammad, will he go to heaven or hell? That's the question.
My question is, he's clear that there is one God.
Clear there is one God.
He is confused in the prophethood.
He does not do idol worship.
He does not do that. He believes in one God and does good deeds and believes in the last day.
Can he go to Jannah is your question?
Yes.
Fine. This answer, and I come to a last question also about that Islam is the only way of life. Quran says in Surah Nisa chapter 4 verse number 48 and Surah Nisa chapter 4 verse number 116, if Allah pleases, He may forgive any of your sin, but the sin of shirk He'll never forgive.
Okay.
If Allah pleases, He will forgive any sin, but the sin of shirk He'll never forgive. This means the only sin that God will never forgive 100% is associating partners with God.
Sure.
So if you believe in one God, don't associate partners, but do not believe in Prophet Muhammad. Can you go to heaven?
Yes.
Chances are there very bleak.
Okay.
Maybe 0.000000001%. I can't say 100% no, because if you're not doing shirk, the other verses talk about Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him.
Yeah.
So if you truly believe, you have to believe in Prophet Muhammad.
Yes.
But if you ask me no, suppose I believe in God and if I die today.
Yes.
If you did good deeds, you believed in God, chances are there very, very little. Like if you jump from the 100th floor, chances you live is there?
Yes.
How
So
much
are the chances
How much are the chances?
of getting saved
How
in that
much?
state?
So if you jump from the Burj of Dubai,
Then you're going to go to hell. I mean, then you're going to die.
not die. Can you live? Yet you can live. Chances is 0.001%.
Yeah.